With Christmas right around the corner, I thought that now would be a great time to review these products from LUS. If you're thinking of getting them for yourself for Christmas or for a friend, a relative, I'm gonna review these for you first before you go and spend your hard-earned cash on these products. That sounded really negative and shady. First, I am starting off with their shampoo, which I am massaging into my scalp before rinsing thoroughly. Something I can't remember because I haven't used these products in a while is that the shampoo came out quite thick and jelly-like. I can't remember if it was always like that or if it's gone like that over time. I really like how this shampoo foams and I feel like I get a really good cleanse, so I just used it once today. I don't particularly find this shampoo to be drying, but I also don't find it to be moisturizing. I am then taking their conditioner. You don't really need a lot of this product, which for someone with long, wavy and fine hair is always an added bonus. The slip of this product is quite good. It's not the best, but it is quite good. I was able to detangle kind of quickly, especially after I added more water into my hair. It was much easier to detangle then. So I worked into my hair, drizzled some water and detangled, starting at the ends and working my way up before rinsing thoroughly. Now I am styling my hair with my brush. Just an update, I've tried raking for a couple of washes and haven't been enjoying it as it seems to be hit and miss if my hair turns out good or not. Kind of comes out stringy sometimes. So we're back to brush styling. And then I am adding the Luss all-in-one Wavy Styler. Now, I have a lot of thoughts on this product. I love this product for a number of reasons, but also I don't like this product for a number of reasons. One little pump of this emulsified in your hands goes a really long way. You can see like my hands were completely coated in the stuff. I really like that aspect that you don't need a great deal of product. This product is the biggest letdown for me, yet it has the most potential. Let me tell you why. So today I am using the Wavy all-in-one styler. They also have another one for curly hair and another one for kinky hair. For some reason, they seem to have given the curly styler a slightly stronger hold and the wavy a light hold, when wavy hair really does need a stronger hold. So what I have done in the past is use this as a leave-in and then go in with a gel, which is perfectly fine and I really like using it like that, but it claims to be an all-in-one when it really should have more hold if they want it to perform as an all-in-one, I think. I am now microplopping and then I plopped for about half an hour and then I'm adding about 4 more pumps of the styler back into my hair to try and give me some extra hold, and then after this I'll diffuse. Something that I do love about these products is that they are really simple, especially for beginners. You have step 1, step 2, step 3. There's no getting confused. They do have a deep conditioner, but I think that just having 3 steps can be really beneficial to somebody starting out if you're feeling overwhelmed with so many products you don't know what to get. I also really like the dispenser that the product has. I think that's what it's called. All you do is just push it down, squeeze, and the product comes out. The way that they're made is to stand up with the lid at the bottom. So I think that is super beneficial to get the product out much easier, especially when you're coming to the end of the product. And of course, I love the name of the brand. LUS stands for Love Yourself, which I think, we all should be doing, is loving ourselves. I have just done diffusing. I did suspect this, but I don't think I've mentioned it yet in this video. Due to the all-in-one styler being a really light hold, when I use products like that, it does make my drying time much quicker, and diffusing was quite quick today. As you can see, I do not have a very strong cast, and here are are the finished results. Now, today's wash has given me kind of loose waves, were very elongated. My hair feels almost as though I don't have anything in it, which depending on your preference could be a good thing or a bad thing, and depending on your hair type and how well it can hold a curl on its own, I think. We do have a little bit of volume, but I do suspect that's going to drop because that's just the way my hair works. It's getting long. Volume doesn't last, okay? I will definitely check in probably tomorrow to show you how it held up and how it is looking. Like I said, I do really like the styler paired with another styling product like a gel or a mousse or a foam. I think it really works well for that, because if I use it for the purpose of a leave-in, I really don't need a lot of product, and it moisturizes my hair while also adding a light hold. It is the same day, it is several hours later, and here's how it's looking. As suspected, my hair didn't hold up very well at all. Actually, as soon as I stopped filming, literally 20 minutes later, my hair was already really way down and I'd lost so much definition. And actually the rest of today, I just had my hair tied up in a bun. Theoretically, my hair would have lost more definition if I'd have worn it down all of today, but I didn't. Let me know in the comments what you think of these results. Have you ever tried Luss before? What have you heard about them? What are your thoughts? Do let me know. And I'm always open if you have any tips how to get the best out of these products. If you see something that I'm doing that I could be doing better, let me know. I would love to hear how you are getting the most out of these products. If you would like to see a review on the Trelux products, which, spoiler alert, the gel is a really strong hold. It is my favorite. I just love that gel. Then make sure to check out this video and I will see you next time. Bye!